is the sound of our big mama pig, who is due any day, but she's just in there snoring away. And I think she's gonna be due, like today or tomorrow. Can you tell that she's ready to pop?